What does it mean to reorganize your debts? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And reorganization of debts usually means you need to seek Chapter 13 bankruptcy protection if you're an individual. That's normally what it means. It means that you're having problems in one of two areas, maybe both. You can't pay your bills, or you can't pay your bills when they come due. That is the most common Chapter 13 problem. You've got bills like a house note, a car payment, credit card payments, maybe some medical bills, a few other odds and ends, and you have cash flow problems. You just can't meet all those payments as they come due, so things start to get behind. Credit cards start to get behind, medical bills aren't paid, soon credit cards aren't paid, and ultimately you might even miss your car payment or your house payment and put those items at risk. So reorganization simply means you reorganize those debts through Chapter 13 while you're being protected from the creditors. By that I mean they cannot take your property while the Chapter 13 process is ongoing. So you reorganize them so that you can make the payments as they come due. And you file a plan of repayment. That is something that an experienced bankruptcy lawyer will do for you. He drafts the plan of repayment, and he decides in that plan, using your income and your expenses, how much you can afford to pay on things like credit card bills and medical bills. Setting up a repayment if you're behind on your house note to cover that past due amount over the life of your plan, and possibly to write down the value of your car to what the value actually is. If you've owned that car for, say, 2.5 years, you can do that. And then, depending on your income versus expenses, you're able to write down credit card bills, medical bills, and things like that to a level to fit what you can actually pay. So that's reorganization. They're reorganized from a jumbled mess that you can't pay every week or every month into an organized fashion that you just make one payment each payday and everybody gets paid and you can live a better life. And when you walk out of that Chapter 13 a few years later, everything except your house note should be paid off, and your house note should be current. You should be able to continue making your mortgage, and everything should be okay. At least that's the point of it, folks. Hello, this is Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and if you have a lot of bills that you can't pay on time, or you just can't pay, you think you might need some protection from the creditors, I'd love to talk with you about that, folks. Call me for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.